Women Fitness Tips. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Here are some fitness tips for women. Consistency is key. Yes, consistency is an important aspect of achieving fitness goals. In order to see results, it's important to make exercise a regular part of your routine. This means committing to a schedule and sticking with it, even on days when you don't feel like exercising. By making exercise a habit, you can help ensure that you're getting the physical and mental benefits that come with regular physical activity. Whether your goal is to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your overall health, consistency is key to achieving your desired outcomes. It's important to make exercise a regular part of your routine, whether it's daily, 3 times a week, or whatever works for you. Start slow. If you're new to fitness, start with low-intensity workouts and gradually increase the intensity and duration as you become more comfortable and confident. Starting slow is important when beginning a new exercise program, particularly if you're new to fitness or have been inactive for a while. When you first start exercising, your body may not be used to the physical demands of exercise. So it's important to ease into it gradually to avoid injury or burnout. Mix it up. Incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine, including cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching. Mixing up your workouts is important to prevent boredom and keep your body challenged. By incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine, you can target different muscle groups and work on improving different aspects of your fitness, such as cardio endurance, strength, flexibility, and balance. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any aches or pains and adjust your workout accordingly. Rest when needed and don't push yourself too hard. Fuel your body. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is important for recovery and overall health. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, including your fitness goals. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates tissues, including muscles, after a workout. Lack of sleep can lead to fatigue, impaired performance, and reduced motivation to exercise. Inadequate sleep can also affect your hormones, including those that regulate appetite, which can make it harder to control your food intake and maintain a healthy weight. Find a workout buddy. Working out with a friend can be motivating and make exercise more fun. Set goals. Having specific fitness goals can help keep you motivated and on track. Make sure they are realistic and achievable. Remember, everyone's fitness journey is different, so don't compare yourself to others. Focus on making progress and taking care of your body. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.